A number of companies have developed six-wheeled vehicles following the success the Mercedes-AMG G63 6x6, and the latest is Hennessey Performance, which has released details about their upcoming Goliath 6x6. Similar to the company's VelociRaptor 6x6, the Goliath 6x6 is a six-wheeled pickup which is based on the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss. Besides the additional rear axle, the truck has been equipped with a custom bed, an 8-inch lift kit and 20-inch wheels which are wrapped in 37-inch BFG off-road tires. Other upgrades include a roll bar and LED auxiliary lights. The model also has custom bumpers and plenty of Hennessey badging. Besides the styling changes, the truck has a 6.2-liter V8 engine that has been equipped with a 2.9-liter supercharger and a new stainless steel exhaust system. Hennessey says these additions will enable the mill to produce 705 horsepower and 914 Nm torque, an increase of 285 horsepower and 395 Nm. Thanks to the extra power, the company believes the model will be able to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in the mid-4-second range. If that's not fast enough, the company also said there will be an option for a stroker motor upgrade. Hennessey didn't elaborate, but the engine will have 808 horsepower. Production will be limited to 24 units and pricing starts at $375,000. Hennessey also plans to offer an assortment of different options including a Brembo braking system and a custom interior upgrade. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you next videos.